Emaar Properties posts a 46% Q3 profit rise and oil prices slip on OPEC's lower demand forecast. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Emaar Property saw a whopping 46% rise in Q3 net profit of $408.4 million, led by robust property sales and subsidiary revenue growth, beating expectations. A Refinitiv forecast expected Emaar to report $390 million in net profit. Emaar posted $5.1 billion in revenue for the first 9 months of the year, boosted by the uptrend of the Dubai property market and continued growth in its recurring revenue businesses. The company's net profit for the first 9 months climbed 125% to $1.6 billion compared to the first 9 months of last year. Oil prices extended losses in early Asian trade today after OPEC cut its 2022 global demand forecast, while rising COVID cases in China clouded the outlook for fuel consumption. OPEC has cut its world oil demand growth forecast for this year by 100,000 barrels per day to 2.5 million barrels per day. It's the fifth time OPEC cut its forecast since April. For 2023, it also revised down its forecast by 100,000 barrels per day to 2.2 million barrels. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried said he expanded his business too fast and failed to notice signs of trouble at the exchange, whose downfall sent shockwaves through the crypto industry. In an interview, Fried said had he been a bit more concentrated on what he was doing, he would have been able to be more thorough. FTX filed for bankruptcy on Friday, one of the highest profile crypto blowups, after traders rushed to withdraw $6 billion from the platform in just 72 hours. And the U.S. Federal Reserve has signaled greater oversight ahead for crypto activity, pointing to a need for firms to face similar regulatory safeguards as other financial service providers. The comments follow the fallout from the collapse of FTX, which has filed for protection from creditors under U.S. bankruptcy law. The Fed says it doesn't want to stifle innovation, but when regulation is lax or behind the curve, it can facilitate risk-taking that puts consumers, businesses, and the economy in danger. Amazon is reportedly planning to cut 10,000 jobs in what would be the biggest round of layoffs in the history of the company. It makes Amazon the latest major firm to cut jobs this year, as many employers fear rising inflation could slide the economy into recession. The layoffs will mostly target Amazon's devices organization, which develops its famous voice assistant Alexa, along with the retail and HR divisions. And after 2 failed attempts, NASA plans to launch its new Mega Moon rocket tomorrow morning from Florida, less than a week after the massive machine withstood a hurricane. The much-delayed Artemis 1 mission is a test flight without astronauts. It represents the first step in the U.S. Space Agency's plan to build a lasting presence on the moon and taking lessons from there to prepare for a future voyage to Mars. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.